This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Studio Gallery. And very quickly, underneath the camera, I'm going to show you what my background is going to look like. Very quickly. And then I'm going to put paint into this container. And hopefully it won't take me forever to do so. But I'm a little nervous because I haven't done it in this way before exactly. And I usually don't put just one dollop of paint in. I usually put a bunch in over and over again. That was Royal Sapphire. That was Deep Amethyst. This is Tuscan Sun. This is Twilight Orchid. I think I'm going to take my chances now. Put some stuff away, out of my way. This is Green Tea. I'm going to use that again. This is a cell activator made of Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I'm not sure what the deal is, but I wanted to throw some cell activator in there. This is a Prizm poured peacock. Get those out of here too. Try not to knock everything over while I'm doing it. Please. Wintergreen is next. That's a Prizm pour. I hope that I have enough paint. Truly. I'm not sure. I've got some Fandango. Prizm pour again. Colors will be underneath the video. Should you have any trouble remembering what I'm telling you, you can always ask. I'm liking the colors in the dish though, so I'm kind of being a little comforted. This is a Sage. This is one of the new colors from the Frosted Sorbets. This is Solar Flare, and I was going to use that first and I didn't. So maybe it'll be a good thing I used it last. Or second to last, or third to last, whichever last it is. This is a little bit of Black Iris, which I actually feel a lot more like squeezing out of the bottle top than pouring out of the open container. If it'll go. Big if. Hello. There we go. Pretty pan of colors. Like unexpectedly pretty. But I like greens and purples together, so that should be fine. Do I want any more Deep Amethyst? Maybe. Close up for me, thank you. How about a little bit more Royal Sapphire? Do I have enough purple? Really, really, really love this Twilight Orchid. If I didn't say it's a Prizm pour, it is. And go back to the Tuscan Sun one more time. I have something called Pixie Dust, which is a primary element. I believe it must have a certain amount of interference in it, which means it'll color shift. And most of my colors are out of the way. Let's hit it one last time with the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. Because even if it doesn't sell, it's still a gorgeous color. So I will put this pan of colors right down here and put something under it so it's not so tippy, because obviously my area isn't perfect. Let's decide where to start. I I am operating in a box. My spin box is rather inconvenient sometimes. I'm going to scrape off my bottom. I'm going to use my residuals if I can to add some texture that I'm kind of imagining is going to show up in the background. Or at least make use of the background. Scrape off the bottom again. See if I can make some different shapes. That's pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with that a bit. Scrape off the bottom. Sort of like the dipsticks, just adding stripes. I like to be able to get that all the way to the bottom. Kind of like that. Just drag it right up. I think I want a little something something right in here. Which I might also want to pour back into the container. So pardon me for a moment while I'm out of view. While I drip that big heavy. Come on. And grab skewer. I've never done this with a background like this before. Now it's time to get on with the rest though. I might have to add some more colors, but I don't know yet. There, I'm not unhappy with this so far at all. Seems to be working out, and I might have just the right amount of paint too. I might wind up cleaning out the rest of my wax. Oh, I love that little serrated edge all the way down there. See if I can grab a little bit more paint. have one more spot that I'd like to add some texture and color to. That's not bothering me. I think I kind of like what's left behind. And there's nothing and nobody can say that I can't grab my bottles and add some straight color in there, because I could do that if I wanted to. So maybe it's time to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and utilize the paint that's left. For whatever I can make use of. Wow, I can't believe how close I cut that. I'm actually cleaning out all of the residuals. And making a cool little flower at the same time. And I guess we'll find out together if we like how it looks when it dries. Because I thought I would like it a little bit more than I did when it was a lot of house paint. Can I get anything else? A little bit more. I thought about adding flowers, but I think that that's pretty good. Whatever else I might want to add, I can steal the paint for. That looks like bamboo over there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's really no paint left to steal. But there is me turning it around and shimmering at you. I'll turn it around fully. Throw my stuff in the bucket. I might have time for one more painting. Probably not. No. Oh well. Now I could tip that, but I don't think I need to. I definitely will be spending a few minutes before dinner popping some bubbles that I can see. Yeah, I can't wait to see what this looks like tomorrow. And look for lumps too, and I just found one. Lumps and bubbles. That's not what I was looking at. Where's what I was looking at? Yes, I'm still painting with my tweezers. Well, I'll find that in a minute when you're gone. Until then, I should say I love you guys. That's pretty sharp. You have to admit. Loving the colors. Don't forget there's a 20% off coupon code for Colour Arte products below the video. I'm an affiliate, so if you purchase Colour Arte products through my affiliate link, you help me out, and I really appreciate that. Seems like I could have added a few more flourishes maybe, but I'm not sure where. In the meantime, it is what it is, and it's pretty darn cool, and I'm pretty happy that you guys were here to see it. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for the donations that help keep me buying art supplies and bringing you new videos. If you'd like to, you're invited to join my membership to my channel, and that's $9.99 a month, and it gets you access to the free members library. Well, free relative word. Members library at least. There's 31 videos there as of today, but there will be more as time goes on. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that my Linktree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. I'm trying to zoom in. I will hit this briefly with the torch. See if I can pop some bubbles. I think the matte background, or the mostly matte background, is going to make this stunning. I'm hoping that I'm correct. We'll see. I'll let you know under the video maybe. Alright, whatever I haven't told you is I have over 2,700 videos, and they're organized by topic and genre and by the 100, and you can find them by going to my YouTube channel and finding playlists. You can also shop from my channel. Hit the shop button. You can find on the community board, you can find tomorrow's video. I do post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week right at the moment still. And I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Look for my paint pouring recipes under the video. Know I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I do sell my artwork. Whatever I haven't told you, including the fact that I have 2 books on the Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And they're the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube, and they're still relevant. Questions are welcome. Please ask questions, and look for tomorrow's video, like I said, on the community board. I think that's everything. That's probably not everything, but that's okay. You'll see it in another video. If you need my help, just ask. I'm here for you. Bye for now. I love you guys. Take care of each other. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.